Hey everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli, and my wife and I went to Lauderdale by the Sea for our annual vacation over Christmas time. And on the way back, and this is the third time this happened to me, on the way back, somewhere in North Carolina, I believe, we passed a truck and a little pebble flew right from the truck into the side of my windshield and cracked the window. Thank God everything was fine, no accident, God forbid, or anything like that. But we made it all the way back, and here we go again. This happened to me in my first Tesla Model Y, Tesla Model 3 in 2019. And it happened to me with my Chevy Volt. I am cursed with front windows, okay, with windshields. So I was like, oh my God, I have to take it to the mechanic or to the service center or to call this and to call that. So I opened a call on the Tesla app, and for my surprise, they did it at my home, at my garage. So we arrived this morning, and out of all days, of any time, it was of course snowing. So my car was covered with snow. I cleaned the snow, and I pushed it like 3/4 into the garage. And the nice guy was there for about an hour and 40 minutes, okay? Meticulously, he took the old windows, peeled the glue and the rubber and the sealant and everything, and spent, like I said, an hour and 40 minutes taking it out, I know I couldn't stay. I wish I could stay for the whole time. I work not too far from home. So I opened the garage for him, got him all set up, and he finished the job. Everything was communicated through the app. And the final cost, look at this, $1,513.65. Now, from what I recalled from 2 years ago, that was basically maybe $1,200. I tell you the truth, and I recommend that you can do whatever you want. I tell you the truth, I wanted to do it during Tesla. I called SafeLight and others, basically more or less the same price. But with the cameras in front and recalibration and all that, and that car has FSD, I did not want to mess with somebody taking out the cameras and put them back in the new windshield and messing this up. I really didn't want to do that. I really, really wanted to make sure that I do it right. And if I did it wrong and Tesla said you didn't do it with us and blah, 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 I didn't want to have that song and dance. So long and behold, it's done. And then I look at the app, service is done. And for some reason, I see that they took the money out of my debit card. And I have a dedicated card that I have on my Tesla app default. And for some reason, they just went to my debit card, okay, to where I keep a little cash just for day to day. So, no good. Good thing I had enough money for there. I don't keep too much money there. Anyway, so I texted them on the app again, and I said, you by mistake, you charged my default, my debit card, not my default card. Within half hour, I got an answer. We refunded you, and we sorry and all that stuff, and we charged the car on default. So Tesla service, I use it usually for tire rotation and for little things. I didn't think they will come for this. I was sure this is going to be a whole day. Saved me days work. It is so incredible. They are so efficient. The only thing I got upset that they came with that van, which is a gasoline van. It's a Ford. Usually they come with Model X's or Model S's, but that's okay. I guess they ran out of cars. But I got an appointment right away, like within a week from when I called, 1 week after. And the guy came, he did such a great job, so kind, so nice, and so a professional, done, clean. It's all that. It's really, really, it was really an awesome experience with them. So the price, I don't think it was high. Let me know if I overpaid. I don't think so, but I checked around. That was pretty much the price, so that was it. Okay, hope this doesn't happen to me again, but I just wanted to share with you in case it happens to you. That's it. Thank you, guys.